How to hide a page in Webflow. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to pages, and then you're gonna have to simply select the page that you want to hide, and then simply click on edit page settings. Now here, as you can see, you have access control. So you have public, anyone on the internet can access this page, then you have anyone with the password, and then you have specific users only. So if you want to add an admin or an editor, you can do that, and basically only you and the editor have access to that specific page. Or you can simply select anyone with the password, and you can select a password for this specific page, and everyone can access that, but only if they have the password. Now with this option, you're gonna need to upgrade to a paid plan, but with this one here, you can do it with the free plan. So that's all you have to do in order to hide a page in Webflow. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.